Okay, this wallpaper is peel and stick. Peel and stick. It comes with 8 strips or panels, if you want to call it that way. I thought it's gonna be a regular wallpaper, but it's not already. Just put a little bit of glue anyway on the edges around the outlet and stuff like that, because it's what I do most of the times. Anyway, a little farther came out. It was from the top. Pretty much is from there. So the thing is, you're allowed to push it against the other seam, because as you can tell, it's just a little bitty, teeny opening between seams. But anyway, so far so good. Here we go. Okay, so I'll remove like 2 feet of paper from the back. I'll lock it up with a razor blade again, because this keeps falling. Anyway, this is what happened when, well, I'll show it to you later. This is start removing things from the wall. And when this thing is like this, what you have to do is just push, push, push. Just when the plastic should roll over, and it's gonna be okay. Let's see. Okie dokie. I'm still here. I'm just gonna pull a little farther on the back and just put it on the wall. Now, okay, this is what happened. This is what happened when you take or remove the peel and stick wallpaper away from the wall, just to fix it closer. So look at the mess. That's why I don't like this peel and stick. But there's a line over there that painter didn't take care of it. But anyway, so that's what you go against every time. Okay, peel and stick. Okay, but been here for more than 30 years hanging wallpaper, so I know what to do exactly. So anyway, I cut it 6 inches, 6.5, something like that. So I really don't want to be short on it, and it's kind of like a wider in the middle. But anyway, I just need 4 inches, something like that. Okay, let's see. This thing is gonna work. Lifting the phone. There you go. Okay. Get up. Water. Glasses. Here they are. Closer. Hang the paper and come down, so I don't have to go back up again. Okay. Done.